Friends, the pandemic has impacted several things, but it has not impacted the aspirations and ambitions of 1.3 billion Indians. In the recent months, there have been far reaching reforms. These are making business easier and red tapeism lesser. Work is actively underway on the world's largest housing program. The renewable energy infrastructure is being expanded. Rail, road, and air connectivity is being boosted. Our country is creating a unique digital model to build our national digital health mission. We are using the best of fintech to provide banking credit, digital payments, and insurance to millions. All these initiatives are being taken using world-class technology and global best practices. Friends, this pandemic has also shown the world that the decision on developing global supply chains should be based on not only on costs, they should also be based on trust, along with affordability of geography. Companies are now also looking for reliability and policy stability. India is the location which has all of these qualities. As a result, India is also becoming one of the leading attractions for foreign investment. Be it America or the Gulf, be it Europe or Australia, the world believes in us. We have received over $20 billion of foreign investment flows during this year. Google, Amazon, and Mubadala Investment have announced long-term plans for India. Friends, India offers a transparent and predictable tax regime. Our system encourages and supports honest taxpayers. Our GST is a unified, fully IT-enabled indirect tax system. Insolvency and bankruptcy code has reduced risk for the entire financial system. Our comprehensive labor reforms will reduce compliance burden for employers. It will also provide social security protection to the workers. Friends, the importance of investment in driving growth cannot be overstated, and we are tackling both demand and supply side of it. By making India one of the lowest tax destinations in the world and with further incentives for new manufacturing units, mandatory e-platform based faceless assessment will go a long way in helping citizens. So, will the taxpayer charter? The continued regulatory reforms in bond markets ensure improved ease of access for investors. There are tax exemptions to sovereign wealth funds and pension funds for infrastructure investment. FDI into India rose by 20% in 2019. This when global FDI inflows fell by 1%.